Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Jamil. Come back again from Honest Sense. Going to be talking about a fragrance house by the House of Creed, and this is Silver Mountain Water. This is a 4 ounce bottle, which is 120 ml. I have about 100. I have about 20 ml left in this bottle. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very, very little in there. But I do have a backup bottle, which is the 2016 bottle, which is this is like a tester. This is more of the old formulation. And this one right here is more of the newer one, where this cap won't fit onto here. I'm trying to make this review very short as possible. I'm going to be talking about the top notes, the heart, and the base. So in the top notes, I got bergamot, mandarin, green tea. In the heart, black currant. In the base, I have gabardine, musk, sandalwood, and petitgreen. So basically, when I first initially spray Creed, I get a fresh, clean, a little bit of citrus, a lot of green tea. And the green tea that's in Creed Silver Mountain Water is very, very natural. I don't get no synthetic base or anything out of Creed Silver Mountain Water. So within like 5 minutes, within the first initial spray with the airy, clean bergamot and green tea, after that 5 minutes, that's when I get the black currant comes in, along with the green tea and the bergamot. And basically, them three notes that's being mixed together, I get this metallic feel. And that's when this fragrance get very, very interesting. And that's when this fragrance start getting really good. The black currant with that metallic note, that gonna sits around like 2 hours on my skin. And basically after the 2 hour mark, I'm gonna get right down to the dry down. And that's my favorite. And that's when I'm gonna get this clean musk. And this musk is real clean, along with that green tea, a little bit of sweetness from the bergamot, and a little bit of that black currant. Which they tend to say that it smells like the inky note. But like I said, I don't get inky note. I get more of the metallic note. Then after that, then the musk gonna come in, and the musk and the petitgreen is gonna straight dominate this whole fragrance. So with the musk, it's a clean musk, um, a little bit of herbal from the petitgreen, definitely from that green tea, a little bit of sweetness from that musk with the bergamot. So basically, what I get out of this fragrance, I get an airy, clean, invigorating, uplifting, um, metallic smell to this fragrance, and a whole lot of musk, and the musk is clean. This is probably one of the best musk that I ever smelled in a fragrance that dominate the whole fragrance. But I will tell you on my skin, on the longevity part of it, I'm getting 8+ hours. The projection, I'm getting about 2 hours. The compliments, I'm getting a lot of compliments. If I need to grade this fragrance from A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever how you want to put it, I'm at the compliments factors that's on this fragrance like an A minus. So every time I wear this fragrance, I'm getting some type of compliments. Sprays on this fragrance, I'm going 6 to 7 sprays. 6 to 7 sprays. The sillage, that's where this fragrance shine. Because on the projection, it's only like for 2 to 3 hours. But I would tell you, on the sillage, you definitely could smell it. People could definitely picks up on this fragrance, even when you feel like you doesn't even smell it. Sometimes I could actually spray Silver Mountain Water on my skin, and I could no, not on my skin, on my clothes, and I could actually smell it 2 days later. Sometimes even when I wash my clothes, I could smell this Silver Mountain Water. Like I say, I know everybody a little bit into more of the batches and everything, so I'm gonna repeat that over, well again. So basically, this is the batch number that's on Creed Silver Mountain Water is FP 3513R01. I'm gonna actually try to pick that up to the camera. This is the old formulation. But I actually have another one, which is Silvermont Water, which is the old cap. I'm just doing this over. So basically, like I said, what I get so to me, I know a lot of time when people wear Creed Silvermont Water, they tend to, I think, gear this fragrance to more of a summer fragrance. Most of the time, I actually wear this fragrance is in the summertime, and I would definitely agree with that. But to me, what I found that this fragrance actually works better when winter is just about over and where spring is more cooler. So I kind of like this in the cooler spring down to the summer. So my compliments normally come from Creed Silvermont Water, not when I'm outdoors, is when I'm actually in a kind of like a cool environment. So like where there's a little bit of air conditioner. Um, so a temperature when it's more like 60 degrees rather than it's like 80 or 90 degrees. Because with Creed Silvermont Water is that it's this the silage tends to just get to people's noses and they tend to just like it more. I'm just basically going by what people tells me. When I wear this fragrance, they would actually tell me, and they would tell me, they say, hey man, when you walk by, that fragrance smells good. When I'm actually, when they actually standing next to me, they say I smells good, but it smells better when I'm actually walking by. But I'm always get a compliment with this fragrance. Every time I wear, I get compliments on this fragrance on Silvermont Water. So basically, that would do for Creed Silvermont Water. I know, like I said, this fragrance came out in 1995, and a lot of people done did this, did this review before on Creed Silvermont Water. I'm just putting my 2 cents on it and that fragrance on basically what I smell about the fragrance. It's crazy about it. Like I have had both of these fragrances over 4 years, and and both of these fragrances is definitely smells the same way as when I have purchased these fragrances. The only thing I would say about it is just the dry down. I mean, the only thing I say about the longevity has improved. When I first got these fragrances, I would say it's like the longevity is like 3 to 4 hours, and it was gone. But now I'm getting, like I said, I'm getting 8 to plus hours with this fragrance. So Creed Silvermont Water. So I don't know is it because of the batches or the fragrance is set there for a while and stuff like that. But like I said, the longevity has gotten even better. So that'd be my review for Creed Silvermont Water. I hope everybody had a good day. I'm trying my best to put out more content and more review on fragrance and everything. So I'm just doing my best. Try to bear with me and with that. And I will be doing another fragrance review next. I'm gonna be doing that one, and this is a real interesting one. A lot of people they have talked about it, but a lot of people have not done a review on it. So to stay tuned with that one and everything. So peace out. Jamil from Honest Sense, Creed Silvermont Water.